Good morning and welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. Well, a pretty significant storm system will affect the Wallops region over the course of the next 24 to 36 hours. We're going to see some rain shower activity throughout the day today. We've actually got some rain that will be moving into the Wallops region here pretty shortly. Taking a look at a radar here, you can see a band of heavier showers is currently moving across the Chesapeake Bay towards the Wallops region, and we'll likely see some of those moderate to heavy showers over the course of the next hour or so. We're going to see these showers impact the region throughout the day today and potentially bring us even some embedded thunderstorms as we get into the evening hours later tonight. I want to take a look at our current surface analysis. You can see this pretty large storm system across the eastern portion of the United States. We saw some severe weather with multiple tornadoes reported in the deep south last night. And all this activity will be moving its way towards Wallops as we go throughout the day and into the morning hours tomorrow. Fortunately for us, not going to see that strong, severe weather impact here at Wallops like what we saw over the southern and southeastern United States from this system, but we will see some pretty strong winds as it moves through early tomorrow morning, and maybe a chance of a few embedded thunderstorms as we get a little bit of increased instability later on this evening. Currently out there, we see low clouds in the area. We have continued to see that onshore flow provide us with deep moisture across the lower levels of the atmosphere. And as a result, we're seeing those low cloud ceilings and fog this morning with ceilings just at 300 feet, half-mile visibility with that fogginess out there that will continue throughout much of the day. We're going to see those low clouds really hold firm throughout the morning and the afternoon today. Winds currently out of the east-northeast at 8 knots, temperature at 48 degrees, and our relative humidity at 100%. So I want to take a look here at a forecast model and what we can expect as we go throughout the next several hours. We're seeing, again, those heavier rain showers likely moving through this morning, and then seeing maybe a little bit of a break in the action at times during the afternoon. So certainly not an all-day rain event, but we will see multiple showers throughout the day as we see this system begin to close in on the Wallops region as that front likely moves in overnight tonight. Looking at the evening forecast, again, some widely scattered showers out there. And then as we go into the evening hours, after around 6 p.m., that's when we see our best chance of seeing some embedded thunderstorms as that instability increases over the area. We will see those showers and thunderstorms possible during the evening hours tonight. So it's been a while since we've seen any lightning across the area here, so that will be something to keep an eye out for later this evening. Overnight tonight, after midnight, that front will clear the area. We'll start to see that cold air begin to spill into the region as well, and see a little bit of another break in the action likely after midnight tonight. Into the early morning hours of Friday, we'll see another wave of low pressure kind of skirting across the southern portion of the Delmarva, and at that time we are looking at the potential of seeing just a few wet snowflakes to end this event by late tomorrow morning. Not expecting any accumulation here at Wallops, but certainly could see enough cold air in time for the precipitation to transition to a few wet snowflakes before coming to an end on Friday. Probably the biggest story for this event will be the strong winds that we will see tomorrow morning, likely seeing the winds gusting up to 40 miles per hour out of the northeast as this system pulls off the coast. And then we'll gradually start to see those winds subside as we go into the afternoon tomorrow. Not likely seeing any precipitation by tomorrow afternoon. I think everything will be pretty much out of here by the noontime hour, and we'll just be stuck with cool and windy conditions throughout the remainder of the day. So I want to take a look here at our next 24 hours in a little bit more detail and what we can expect. You're going to see, again, the rain shower activity continuing through most of the day. Winds will be breezy at times this afternoon out of the south-southwest. Temperatures warming up to around 62 degrees for a daytime high. And then as we go into the evening hours, that's when we'll see our chance for some embedded thunderstorm activity. Winds will turn westerly and eventually out of the northeast after midnight tonight and seeing those temperatures dropping throughout the overnight hours down to the low 40s by around 8 o'clock. And we'll see those temperatures continuing to drop into the morning as those strong northeasterly winds blow possibly as high as 40 miles per hour. As we go into the day on Friday, we're going to see those showers continuing into the morning, and that is when we would potentially see the transition to a brief period of wet snow by late morning. We'll probably only see an hour or two of that snow potential as it comes to an end, and we'll likely see those temperatures remain above freezing, so not expecting any accumulation on the roadways or really any accumulation at all, even on the grassy surfaces. I think it'll be pretty tough to come by, as the event will be pretty quick with that transition to snow as the system moves off the coast late Friday morning. So temperatures maxing out in the morning at around 42 degrees, dropping into the upper 30s to mid 30s potentially during the late morning hours. And then as everything clears out, we'll likely see a reoccurrence of some sunshine. I haven't seen it in a few days, but I do believe we'll see some by tomorrow afternoon. And with that sunshine, could see those temperatures jump back up into the low 40s during the afternoon. Friday night, expecting partly cloudy to mostly clear skies with breezy conditions during the early evening hours, a low of 32. And then for Saturday, we're going to see some pleasant conditions in here. Mostly sunny skies, could still be slightly breezy, but all in all, a pretty nice day shaping up for us for Saturday with a high of 48 degrees. Well, that'll wrap it up for the daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. for a look at your extended forecast. Have a nice day.